Before you do any type of electrical work, I highly recommend you getting a breadboard. This is going to save you a ton of time because you can test the circuit before you actually need to start soldering, so that way you know if you need to make any adjustments and finalize it. So let me go ahead and show you a little bit about how this baby works. So the first thing is power. So this could be, a solar panel, wind turbine, or, anything that would generate power. In this case, I just got a little USB just to speed up time. So first thing I'm going to do is just plug in my positive and then my negative here, okay? I got a little LED here. I can go ahead and test that. So I can go ahead and put this in. There we go. Plug it in to test the circuit. There we go. And there you go. You can see that the circuit is working. However, in my last video, I ended up demonstrating and showing you guys a voltage regulator. This one's a little bit different than the previous one, but it still serves the same purpose. We have two capacitors, we have an inductor, we have a diode here that tells the current only go one direction. That's why there's that little slit at the end of that diode. So that means power is coming in this way and it cannot go back. Okay, it's only going to go one direction. And then we got our female USB as well as an LED. So I can actually test the circuit with this as well as power whatever it is I need to power. That little LED is going to be on. It's a little subtle, but you can still see it. So I know that there's power going to this. So then what I can do is I can take this other USB cable I have, plug in my razor here, and as you can see, now it's charging. That's just one way of actually doing circuitry without actually having to solder. And this is a lifesaver in an emergency.